Wallpapering is a great way to cover your walls. I love wallpapers because you can achieve any kind of design, create a perfect scenery, or even create a feeling in a space at an inexpensive cost and within just a few hours. I have a friend who doesn't like wallpapers. I don't know why he doesn't like it, but I hope he gets to like it after this video. Wait a minute and think about what you can achieve with wallpapers. The variety of designs available, the texture, the color. I mean, it's super amazing what you can do with wallpapers. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you 6 innovative ways that you can use wallpapers at home. Guys, it's great to have you back on my channel. My name is Chika, your interior designer and the creative director of Unicorn Interior. As usual, I bring you tips to help you manage your space. So let's go. 6 innovative ways to use wallpapers at home. Number 1, wallpaper frames. Wallpaper frames are unique and you can use them as both accessories and wall coverings. To do this, buy an empty picture frame and replace the picture inside with a wallpaper. This will look amazing if you group it together so that you can create repetition and continuity in the space. If you like a bigger frame, design a bespoke size frame and place your wallpaper just right in. You can decide to cover the frame with the glass or leave it open as the case may be, however you like it. There are so many amazing frame designs with luxurious looks that will add some glam to your space. This design is removable and can be changed or taken down anytime like every other wall frame. Number 2, trims and moldings. Moldings are usually done with POP material, so you can shape and design any size you want and just place your wallpaper right in it. Trims also come in self-adhesive design that you can install by yourself. It also comes in some other design that you will need bond or glue to install. After measuring your trims, you place them on the right spot where you want it to be and then place your wallpaper right in. This is a more permanent design compared to the frame wallpaper we talked about earlier. Number 3, wallpaper for inner shelves. This style works for any area. You can use it for your old or new shelf. It beautifies the shelf and makes it a focal point, especially if it's a big display shelf with some accessories. This style will draw the eyes to the shelf to admire the accessories on display. So you can use this for your kitchen cabinets, for your bookshelves, and for any kind of shelf you have at home, and it will instantly give a unique and different look. Number 4, wallpaper on doors. I particularly like this one because I tried it a couple of months ago and it came out looking so good. So I had these 2 old brown doors at home looking horrible. I needed to change them because they were no longer going to fit into the new makeover idea I was working on. And I didn't want to spend money changing it or repainting it because I needed to fix it like immediately. So I opted for an off-white wallpaper and in a few minutes I was able to install it. It was so pretty and calming. So you can try this for your old or new doors and completely change the look of your space. So find out what works for you, what design will suit your space, what design will fit with other things in your house. Measure the door and then cut the wallpaper and place it on the door. You may need to take off the door handle while you're installing or place it on the door handle while it's still intact. Number 5, wallpapers beneath the stairs. This may not apply to everyone because we all don't have staircases at home, but if you do, you should definitely try this. So measure the staircase and place the wallpaper just beneath each stair. This will give it a visual impact and make your staircase really beautiful. Number 6, use wallpaper to cover furniture pieces. This is a very handy tip and it is perfect for your old furniture. So you can cover your wardrobe, your TV cabinet, console, shelves, and anything with wallpapers. Some furniture pieces have some sentimental value. You hear people say, my grandma gave me, my grandpa gave me. This kind of furniture, you never want to let them go. So this is perfect for situations like that. Another benefit of this is that you get to save money while doing it. So instead of changing your entire cabinet or spraying or fixing it,
just cover it up with wallpapers. Use the simple wallpaper installation DIY tricks and fix your space in no time.
So guys, does this sound like something you want to try? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you want to do first. I'm guessing the door or the shelf. Just drop a comment and let me know which one you do first. Thank you for watching, and if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please click the red subscribe button below, like, share and comment if you love this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.